thecasesolutions.com. Hi guys. This case is about Gong Cha's return to Singapore, rebuilding a popular bubble tea franchise. Gong Cha, the beloved bubble tea brand, has made a triumphant return to the vibrant streets of Singapore, rekindling the excitement and joy among bubble tea enthusiasts across the nation. Introduction. Gong Cha, the beloved bubble tea brand, has made a triumphant return to the vibrant streets of Singapore, rekindling the excitement and joy among bubble tea enthusiasts across the nation. After a temporary absence, the brand's revival signals a remarkable journey of rebuilding and revitalizing its presence in the competitive food and beverage landscape. With its rich history in Singapore and a loyal fan base, Gong Cha's return was eagerly anticipated by many who fondly remembered its delectable concoctions and unique flavors. As the news of its comeback spread, excitement rippled through social media, and longtime fans eagerly counted down the days until they could once again savor their favorite bubble tea. The success of Gong Cha's return can be attributed to a well-crafted strategy that emphasized both its legacy and innovation. The brand took a customer-centric approach, closely analyzing feedback and market trends to reimagine its menu and introduce new offerings that catered to evolving tastes. While staying true to its classic favorites, Gong Cha introduced exciting new flavors and ingredients that captured the curiosity of both old and new customers. To stand out in a highly competitive bubble tea market, Gong Cha focused on quality ingredients and customization options. Customers were delighted to have the freedom to tailor their drinks according to their preferences, creating a personalized and memorable experience with every sip. Gong Cha's commitment to delivering a consistent and exceptional bubble tea experience played a pivotal role in winning back the hearts of its loyal customers. The brand's return also highlighted its ability to adapt and evolve in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Gong Cha embraced digital transformation, leveraging social media, mobile apps, and online ordering platforms to connect with its tech-savvy customers. Interactive loyalty programs, personalized promotions, and exclusive offers were designed to engage and retain customers, making them feel valued and connected to the brand. Community support and brand loyalty played a significant role in the success of Gong Cha's return. Devoted fans eagerly awaited its revival and actively spread the word through word of mouth and social media. The sense of community and emotional connection with the brand fostered a powerful wave of support that propelled Gong Cha's resurgence. As Gong Cha rebuilds its presence in Singapore, it faces the challenge of maintaining momentum and relevance in a dynamic and competitive market. The brand's continued success will depend on its ability to stay attuned to customer preferences, embrace innovation, and consistently deliver exceptional experiences. In the months following its return, Gong Cha has continued to innovate, experimenting with limited-time offerings and collaborations with local influencers and artists. These efforts have not only attracted new customers but also rekindled the enthusiasm of longtime fans, further solidifying the brand's position as a beloved bubble tea franchise in Singapore. Gong Cha's return to Singapore serves as a testament to the enduring appeal of a well-loved brand and its ability to bounce back stronger after a period of transformation. As it forges ahead on its journey, Gong Cha reminds us that with resilience, innovation, and a genuine connection with customers, even the most beloved brands can overcome challenges and flourish once again. In conclusion, Gong Cha's return to Singapore has been a resounding success, rekindling the passion for bubble tea and bringing joy to countless fans. With its customer-centric approach, digital engagement, and commitment to quality, Gong Cha continues to elevate the bubble tea experience, creating cherished moments for customers one cup at a time. As Singaporeans eagerly embrace Gong Cha's revival, it is clear that the brand's popularity is here to stay, solidifying its position as a true icon of bubble tea in the Lion City. This is just a sample partial case solution. Please place the order on the website to order your own originally done case solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want any case study, visit our website thecasesolutions.com.